This is a 2022 Adam Julite step-up model versus rear ramp. This trailer was bought new here at Trailer Country LLC in February of 2022. The buyer put a ton of add-ons on the trailer, which I'm going to show you most of those. And then there are a few things you can't see, like the clear coat they had put on the nose of the trailer, and the sidewalls have been ceramic coated on the outside of the trailer. So they invested quite a bit of money in some great features that are going to preserve the life of the skin of this trailer. Unfortunately, the person that purchased it soon after lost their horse and is not interested in remaining in the horse industry. So this is a 2022 Adam Julite, very, very gently used. The owner actually used it one time. They did also lend it to a friend to make one trip, who caused a little wrinkle here in that diamond plate. So I do want to point that out to you. So it's got the standard Adam 4-foot dressing room with a camper door and screen door. What they did in this dressing room is add poly lighting all around the lower half of the wall. So poly lining was professionally added all in the lower half of the wall of the trailer. That was left open to get to that breakaway battery box. We've got 2 saddle racks, bridle hooks, and a window between the horse area and the dressing room. And then of course your sliding window over top of the saddle racks, which is standard in the Adam trailer. And a sliding window in the dressing room door. It's got your typical 2 escape doors on the Adam Julite, full-size escape doors with sliding windows. This poly here on this door is something else that they added. The Adam Julite has full-length running boards, so that acts as a step to get into your dressing room and into your horse area. Aluminum fenders with LED running lights. We've got amber in the front and red in the back there. These paddle latches were added. I'll show you one on the other side, or maybe when I close this door. So paddle latches were added to these escape doors so that the trailer could be used as a box stall without risking the horses being able to exit. Got our 2 pop-up roof vents standard in the Adam. There's that window between the horse area and the dressing room. Swinging removable head divider. Here they added this poly as well. So poly on the front wall of the trailer, poly on those doors, that is not standard. And poly, slip my phone through this head divider here. Extra poly added here where she wanted to be able to hang a hay net. So we put in some extra D-rings, and a hay net went right there. She had a hay bag, and she wanted to scratch up the wall. So poly was added to the walls there. Again, as you can see, does not look like anybody rode in this trailer. It is really a brand new trailer. 1 trip with the owner, 1 trip with a friend. There's your standard LED lights in the back, 1 on each side of the trailer. And she had us add 2 more, 1 on each side of the front of the trailer. So there are 4 LED lights inside of this horse area. There's a camera there in the back. We have the monitor that goes with that camera system. Just plugs right into the power port of your tow vehicle. Shut this door as we go around. The Adam Julite is an all aluminum trailer, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof with a wooden floor. This trailer is no different. The Adam Julite is standard 7'6" tall and 6'6" wide, and this trailer is that 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide. As I mentioned, this trailer is a step-up, so it has 50/50 rear doors. No ramp here on this trailer. This is a step-up model. Would have come originally with 1 load light. The customer had us add a second one, so there are 2 load lights there on this trailer. Rubber bumper. Again, padded breast and butt bars, padded sidewalls, padded divider in the Adam trailer. Just only opened up one of these doors here. It's been raining for days here. It looks like it could possibly rain again any second. 50/50 rear doors with sliding windows and 2 load lights, LED brake lights up there and around the bottom. Sliding hip windows, 15-inch steel wheels. It's a 225 tire on the Adam trailer. And there's that second escape door. And the paddle latches that we added there so that you can ride with that horse loose in that box stall. Looks like there was a little run-in with something there. That running board is not dented, but you can see some paint there where somebody skimmed a little close to something. But again, this is a 2022 Adam Julite. It is used, but it is practically new. All the specs for the trailer are on our website at trailercountryllc.com. The trailer is located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. Make sure you take a note of all the extra